The venues we're going to today, we have a good possibility of catching a fish in like 8 to 14 pound range, and then we have one venue that we have possibility of catching something in the 40-45 pound range possibly. So it looks like this spot over here probably going to be our best bet to get something going. Fishing like this, you don't want to be fishing for nothing. You want to know you're fishing for something. So by getting some bread going in, you gauge an idea of if there's any fish that are active and they're looking for food. Like a parachute. So this section will give you some weight, and this section will help it float. Actually able to get a recapture of a beautiful white koi with a couple orange spots on it that I actually caught about 2 weeks ago. So that was beautiful. Now we're headed to a different park lake that is loaded with mirror carp and a few grassers. So hopefully they're up in the water column feeding off the surface, and we can tempt a couple bites. Grab the net. You got such a difference in scale size, where you got scales like this that are around 1.5 to 2 inches, and then you'll have scales like this that are smaller than a pencil eraser. It's just a gorgeous fish. What a battle it gave me. I just switched over to some 13-pound mono, and this thing gave me a proper battle. One I had, my last PB, it was all length. That fish had height, girth, depth, and length. What a day.
It's a happy John.
Yeah, it doesn't get much better.